Businesses face challenges. Artificial intelligence can help. Stay to the end to learn how quickly you can have an agentic AI operating system for your business and for the AI music that explains it. Janssen LLC approaches AI differently than most technology providers. Rather than selling isolated chatbots or disconnected automation tools, the company develops a custom agentic AI operating system designed specifically around the workflows, goals, software environment, and operational challenges of each client organization. The objective is not simply to introduce AI into a business, but to create an intelligent operational layer capable of supporting marketing, sales, customer engagement, reporting, administration, analytics, and executive coordination in a practical and measurable way. For startup businesses and growth stage organizations, the greatest challenge is often not lack of opportunity, but lack of operational scale. Founders and small teams become overwhelmed by repetitive follow-up tasks, CRM management, reporting requirements, content creation demands, scheduling coordination, customer communications, and fragmented software systems that do not communicate efficiently with one another. Valuable leads are lost because response times are delayed. Important opportunities fall through the cracks because workflows depend too heavily on manual effort, and growth becomes constrained by the limits of human bandwidth. The Agentic AI operating system developed by Janssen LLC is intended to address those limitations through a governed ecosystem of intelligent AI agents working together in coordination with existing business tools and human leadership. Instead of forcing clients to abandon their current software investments, the operating system is designed to integrate directly into the client's preferred environment through APIs, MCP connections, webhooks, SDKs, database integrations, and secure workflow orchestration layers. Whether a client currently uses HubSpot, Salesforce, Go High Level, Zoho, Monday.com, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Twilio, MailChimp, Stripe, QuickBooks, Calendly, AWS, Azure, or proprietary internal systems, the architecture is built to adapt around the business rather than forcing the business to adapt around the technology. The system can be deployed through secure cloud infrastructure using AI4 ROI.cloud through hybrid cloud and on-premise models, or entirely within local environments for organizations requiring additional security, compliance, privacy, or operational control. This flexibility is important because different industries and organizations have very different governance requirements. Some clients may prefer the scalability and convenience of cloud-hosted infrastructure, while others may require sensitive data and operational workflows to remain entirely within internal environments. At the center of the architecture is what Janssen LLC refers to as the business brain. The business brain acts as the trusted operational memory of the organization. It contains curated business knowledge, including products, services, pricing structures, marketing collateral, brand voice standards, SOPs, CRM intelligence, sales scripts, onboarding processes, FAQs, workflow definitions, approval policies, reporting structures, and operational rules. Rather than forcing AI systems to operate blindly, the business brain provides contextual grounding so that the AI agents function with a more accurate understanding of how the business actually operates. Once the business brain is established, specialized AI agents can begin supporting various operational workflows. Marketing agents can assist with campaign generation, social media drafts, content sequencing, audience engagement strategies, A/B testing variations, SEO support, and advertising coordination. Sales enablement agents can assist with pre-call research, lead prioritization, CRM updates, follow-up communications, appointment coordination, and proposal preparation. Analytics agents can monitor pipeline health, generate executive summaries, identify stalled opportunities, detect workflow bottlenecks, and produce operational dashboards that give leadership greater visibility into business performance. The objective is not uncontrolled AI autonomy. Janssen LLC strongly believes that governance and human oversight must remain central to the system. AI agents are designed to assist, recommend, organize, coordinate, and automate approved low-risk workflows while preserving human authority over sensitive decisions. Human approval checkpoints, role-based permissions, audit logging, escalation policies, workflow traceability, and action monitoring remain integrated into the operational framework. High-risk business activities involving financial decisions, legal approvals, regulated communications, employment matters, or sensitive customer interactions remain subject to explicit human review. An important differentiator in the Janssen LLC architecture is the intentional use of hybrid intelligence strategies to reduce operational cost while increasing system efficiency and reliability. Many organizations adopting AI unknowingly create future scalability problems because every operational task relies on expensive large model token consumption. As AI usage expands across an organization, token costs can quickly become operationally unsustainable. To address this issue, Janssen LLC combines open source language models, deterministic compiled code, and selective frontier model usage into a unified orchestration strategy. Open source models such as Llama, Mistral, DeepSeek, Qwen, Gemma, or other specialized models may be used for repetitive operational workflows where frontier-level reasoning is unnecessary. More advanced frontier models are reserved for high-value reasoning tasks requiring deeper analysis, strategic interpretation, or sophisticated language generation. At the same time, many repetitive operational workflows are intentionally removed from LLM processing entirely and handled through deterministic compiled services written in optimized programming languages such as Julia, Rust, Go, C#, Java, or optimized Python frameworks. Tasks such as CRM synchronization, KPI calculations, scheduling logic, data normalization, routing decisions, queue management, workflow validation, reporting structures, compliance checks, and operational branching can often be executed significantly faster, more reliably, and at dramatically lower cost using deterministic code rather than repeated AI inference requests. This hybrid architecture allows organizations to scale intelligent operations while maintaining much greater control over cost predictability and operational performance. A typical marketing and sales deployment may begin with lead intake from advertising platforms, SEO campaigns, landing pages, social media funnels, referral systems, or API-driven lead providers. Once leads arrive, AI agents can enrich records, classify intent, prioritize opportunities, generate follow-up drafts, update CRM systems, schedule reminders, coordinate appointments, and assist human sales representatives with actionable next step recommendations. Marketing workflows can simultaneously generate campaign variants, optimize communication timing, monitor engagement trends, and continuously assist with content production across multiple channels. Leadership teams benefit from improved operational visibility because the system continuously monitors workflow status, sales activity, lead progression, follow-up completion rates, customer response timing, and campaign performance metrics. Executive dashboards and AI-generated summaries help identify operational bottlenecks before they become growth constraints. Janssen LLC believes that successful AI adoption should occur through phased implementation rather than disruptive replacement strategies. Initial deployment typically begins with discovery workshops, workflow mapping, software inventory reviews, KPI definition, governance assessment, and business brain development. The first operational deployment is generally focused on measurable high ROI workflows, such as marketing automation, CRM assistance, follow-up coordination, reporting automation, or executive visibility. Once those workflows demonstrate measurable business value, the operating system can expand incrementally into broader multi-agent coordination and deeper operational integration. The long-term vision is not simply automation for the sake of efficiency. Janssen LLC believes that intelligent systems should function as force multipliers that allow people to spend more time on leadership, creativity, relationships, strategy, innovation, and meaningful human engagement. By reducing repetitive operational burdens and intelligently coordinating business workflows, organizations gain the ability to scale more effectively without immediately requiring large staffing expansions. The company also believes strongly that advanced AI technologies should contribute positively to broader society. Through its alignment with AI4, Good Squared, and related humanitarian initiatives, Janssen LLC seeks to ensure that technological advancement supports human flourishing, education, opportunity, and sustainable development. In this model, commercial AI deployments not only improve operational performance for businesses, but also contribute indirectly toward broader AI for good initiatives designed to extend opportunity and technological empowerment to underserved populations. Ultimately, The Agentic AI operating system is intended to help organizations operate with greater intelligence, responsiveness, scalability, and strategic clarity. The objective is not replacing human leadership, but amplifying human capability through governed, integrated, economically sustainable AI systems designed around real business operations and measurable outcomes. Now for a special treat. AI has generated a song specifically for the following graphic to enjoy while reviewing it, and while visiting the Janssen LLC website, enter janssen.llc into your browser or scan the QR code.
Whoa. In the startup grind where the hours never end, leads get lost in the chaos, messages left unsent, founders drowning in tasks, bandwidth running thin. Janssen LLC steps in, let the future begin. No more scattered tools fighting in the night. They build an operating system, intelligent and bright. Custom agents rising, woven into your flow. Marketing, sales, and analytics, watch the whole system glow. Agentic AI, operating in sync. Business brain thinking faster than you think. From the leads that arrive to the dashboards that shine, Janssen turns your vision into intelligent design. Hybrid power rising, open source code in mind. Governed by humans but leaving limits behind. Scale without breaking, create without fear. Janssen LLC, the future is here. Integrates with HubSpot, Salesforce, your whole stack. Doesn't force you to change, it's got your back. Business brain remembers every product, price, and tone, so every agent answers like it's always known. Marketing agents crafting campaigns that convert. Sales agents following up, closing with heart. Analytics watching the pipeline, spotting every stall, while humans stay in charge. The final call. Agentic AI, operating in sync. Business brain thinking faster than you think. From the leads that arrive to the dashboards that shine, Janssen turns your vision into intelligent design. Hybrid power rising, open source code in mind. Governed by humans but leaving limits behind. Scale without breaking, create without fear. Janssen LLC, the future is here. Facing gently, value first, then expand. Not replacing people, helping them take a stand. Force multiplier for the dreamers and the bold. Turning daily grind to stories yet untold. Go, open source, wisdom meets frontier insight. Deterministic engines keeping cost in flight. For good and for growth, for business and beyond. AI that lifts humanity, that's the Janssen bomb. Agentic AI, operating as one. Amplifying leaders under the rising sun. From Ormond Beach to the world, the message is clear. Intelligent